tell us.
It's garbage disposal act.
Excuse me, the human garbage disposal, James Morgan, who is entering this year's Mid-Ohio Valley annual 4th of July hot dog eating contest being held at the Locker Room Sports Bar. James, tell us your secrets, tell us your opinions, tell us why you think or why you know you're going to win this competition.
Because I have fast metabolism. Just really a fat ass from heart. I've always been able to eat it a lot.
How many hot dogs can you eat in 5 minutes?
I know I can eat a fucking bunch.
The Mid-Ohio Valley's record was set, I believe, in 2007 by Spider Mike at 28 hot dogs. Can you beat 28?
I believe I can.